Welcome back to my second episode of all about hormonal birth control. Before we start this video, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Naz, I am a nutritionist and registered nurse, and I'm very excited to share information with you about women's health. And in this series, we are going to talk about all the side effects and effects of hormonal birth control and all the stuff that barely gets talked about. So grab yourself a holiday drink or a treat, and let's get into the video. Research has shown that the birth control pill depletes your body of minerals such as zinc, magnesium and selenium, as well as vitamin C, vitamin E, and some B vitamins like B2, B12, B6 and folate. In fact, women that are on the pill have lower levels of these nutrients in their bodies. And according to World Health Organization, the impact oral contraceptives has on a woman's nutritional requirements is a very important topic and should receive great attention. Now, before you get scared, not all women that are on the pill develop serious nutrient deficiencies. But it is important to keep in mind that oral contraceptives are taken every day and often for very long periods of time. So after years of taking this drug, this can make a significant impact on our bodies. And if there are additional contributory factors such as a poor diet or poor digestive health, which causes you to not absorb all the nutrients, then yes, this can be a serious issue. And if you are on the pill, you can simply prevent this by being aware of it and take actions accordingly. It was discovered in 1968 that women that were taking oral contraceptives had lower levels of zinc than women that didn't. Zinc is an important mineral that plays a role in many bodily functions. It is important for a healthy immune system, our brain's learning process, and it plays a role in DNA and RNA metabolism. Good sources of zinc are dark chocolates, nuts, and whole grains. Magnesium is important for over 300 bodily functions, and ATP, our main source of energy in cells, has to be bound to magnesium in order to be biologically active. Lack of magnesium can lead to muscle spasms and has been linked to cardiovascular disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety, migraines, osteoporosis, and stroke. So when the body doesn't have enough magnesium, it changes the magnesium-calcium ratio, which then affects our blood's ability to clot. It has therefore been speculated that low magnesium levels can be one of the reasons why oral contraceptives increases the chances of blood clots. Okay, so I'm going to show you some great ways to get enough magnesium in your diet. So the first thing is blackstrap molasses. Make sure you get the unsulfured one. So molasses is extracted during the process of sugarcane making, and it contains nutrients found in sugarcane. It is very nutritious, and it's also good if you're sensitive to sugar or if you have diabetes, as this product has low GI and will not affect your blood sugar levels as much. So the other thing I want to show you is magnesium oil. So I make my own magnesium oil. It's very easy to make, it's very affordable, and all you do, you just spray it on your skin absorbs it, it goes straight into your bloodstream. It's a very, very good and efficient way to get enough magnesium in your diet, and I'll show you how to make this in the end of the video as well. Magnesium is also found in almonds, walnuts, lentils and green veggies. Selenium is important for a healthy thyroid function and is also an important antioxidant nutrient, which means that selenium deficiency can increase the risk of cancer and cardiovascular disease. Good sources of selenium are Brazil nuts, brown rice, and spinach. Now, vitamin C plays an important role in collagen production, tissue repair, absorption of iron, the immune system, and is essential for healthy bones and teeth. Good sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, tomatoes, and green veggies. Okay, so vitamin E is an antioxidant and it helps maintain healthy skin and immune function. Good sources of vitamin E include plant oils, nuts, and seeds. B2 is important for breaking down carbohydrates, fats, and protein, and is necessary for energy production and normal cell function. You can find B2 in green vegetables such as spinach, asparagus, and avocado. Okay, now moving on to B12. Now B12 plays a significant role in cellular metabolism, which is the different set of chemical reactions which keeps the cells alive. It also helps make DNA and is important for energy production, B12 is found naturally in soil and it is produced by bacteria. In order for the bacteria to produce B12, the soil needs to contain the mineral cobalt. Now, back in the day, we could get our B12 from picking up root vegetables straight from the ground and eating them with some dirt still on it, or drinking water from a river or a mountain. In today's sanitized world, we don't get this vitamin from those sources anymore, and because we have sterilized our water and soil, animal feeds are supplemented with B12. Animal products will therefore contain B12, but this does not guarantee absorption. The best and safest way to get this vitamin in the modern world is therefore through fortified foods or a supplement. B6 is important for a healthy brain function, and a deficiency can lead to low serotonin levels, which has been linked to depression and anxiety. Vitamin B6 deficiency has also been associated with an increased risk of thrombosis, and this is independent of other risk factors. Because of this, it is speculated that B6 deficiency can also be one of the reasons why women on the pill have increased chances of getting blood clots. B6 is found in many foods: oatmeal, brown rice, potatoes, vegetables, and bread, to mention a few. Okay, now let's talk about folate. So folate is important for our DNA and our cell division, and a deficiency in folate will affect all dividing cells. And since red blood cells and bone marrow cells divide rapidly, a folate deficiency can cause a reduction in red and white blood cells, and this can lead to anemia and low immune function. If you have ever been pregnant or trying to get pregnant, you know how important folate is. Deficiency during pregnancy can lead to serious birth defects, and what's interesting here is that research shows that it will take a woman 3 months after quitting the pill before folate levels return to normal. So if you are planning for a baby right after stopping the pill, you might consider supplementation before going off it. Okay, so now that we know that the birth control pill can deplete nutrients, we are going to talk about how it can also elevate nutrients. So iron, vitamin K, and copper are amongst those vitamins and minerals that are elevated when taking the pill. And you might think, well, that's a good thing at least. And you might be right, but please keep in mind that too much iron in the body can be very toxic. Okay, so I hope you got some value from this video, and if you did, subscribe for more content. I'm also at It's Nurse Naz on social media, so if you have any questions or video suggestions, just drop me a message. I would love to hear from you. I have also left the links to the research down below if you're interested. Hope you have a good holiday, and I'll see you soon.
Just